Hey guys, it's MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Vans Old Skool Light. It's in a beige colour or whatever, I don't know. I don't know what colour it is, tan, beige, something like that. It's suede as well, so yeah. Let's go ahead and open this. It cost me, well it didn't cost me anything. This is £65 as you can see. So yeah, it's quite cheap. Size 8 I think. Shout out to Bodrul Udin. I don't know what his channel name is because he's always changing it. So thank you for letting me review these shoes. So yeah, let's go ahead and review these. Vans off the wall. I like that there. It's a nice thingy. It's like a oh, I know what it is. It's a skateboard. That's what it is. I'm not into Vans that much because I just don't like it that much. I've got one pair of them. I've not really been too much of a fan of it. So yeah, so you got Vans here off the wall, skateboard there, nice red logo, and then the rest is just cardboard. It's pretty much a cardboard box. Right, there you go guys. UK size 8, US size 9, light gum mono, that's the color name, suede. Euro is 42 size, centimeters, I don't know why you need centimeters. And then it carries on that Vans thing there. 65 quid, there's a bit of a dent there, I don't know why. Vans. I like that bit, because that's quite nice, it's very nice. Vans off the wall. Same there, it looks very nice. Size guide. And are you ready guys? Let's open this. Hooah! Okay, I'm not a fan of the inside of the box, it's a bit plain. Like, it literally looks like a cardboard box, like a little effect of nothing. Don't know why that's broken, because it's been like that all the time. Just take this out of it. There you go. I like the packaging. You got the Vans logo everywhere. It's a bit like the Adidas one without the Adidas logo everywhere. The Nike ones, they don't really usually have anything. It's just a white piece of paper. So yeah, let's open this. You ready guys? Oh, it's quite a big wrapping paper. Oh, there you go. So these are the shoe itself. They look quite nice, don't they guys? Let me take one out. So this is the shoe itself. I'm not a big fan of Vans, like I've told you already, but this is quite nice. It's very nice. It's a very posh shoe. Like you'd wear this with something smart. Smart casual would go as well. I wouldn't wear this with like joggers and shit, because it just wouldn't work. So yeah. So as you can see, this is all suede. It's gonna need a lot of taking care of. Like you won't be able to wear it in bad weather. Otherwise it'll get ruined and then you can't really do much about that. So yeah. So this is the shoe itself. Let's have a look at this. Vans off the wall. Oh. And then nothing there. Got insulting there. Let me take that out. Actually, I'm going to leave that in actually, I think. Because I'm not going to be able to wear these anyway because they're too small for me. Size 8 to try on. So there you go. Vans Ultra Cush Light. That's the sole that they're using. It feels quite soft. I don't think it's as good as the Adidas ones. Or the Light. That's what they use. This one's quite hard actually, to be honest. It's soft but hard. Adidas ones is completely soft, I don't know why. And Nike ones, they're really soft as well. Nice cushioned. I like this. The back is cushioned very well. It's very soft as well. Yeah, very nice. Let's have a look here. This is the front of the shoe. So as you can see, it's a brown colour. I don't know what you call this colour. Tan, brown, whatever. I'll call it brown because that's the simple way to describe it. So you got a nice brown colour here. And then these laces, they're different brown. It's different shade of brown and it's really nice. These laces actually wasn't put in when you got the shoe. So yeah. Could you tell I repackaged it? So yeah, I'll put them in. Well, I didn't put them in, my mate did. Because it's quite hard to redo this. And yeah. So this is the front of the shoe. Look at that. It's very nice. I like all the stitching patterns and stuff. The stitching actually should have been that colour. It would have been pretty cool that. There's no reflectiveness on this shoe at all, as you can see. Look at the end of that. There you go. Okay. So there you go. You got Vans logo there. That looks a bit cheap to me. I don't know why. I really have no clue why it looks cheap. But it just does. It just looks like they slapped on a sticker there. One side's coming off a bit. One side's not. Or if they stuck down with just glue, as you can see, because you can see in the corners there. Let's look at the side profile. That looks very nice. This part of the shoes actually looks taller than this part of the shoe. Very odd. Sorry about the background noise if you can hear it. It's my brother screaming playing Fortnite. Crazy guy. Right. So you got a nice texture change there. Dots and stuff. Very nice. And then this part, you got a different texture. This actually looks like it has no grips at all. It's completely flat and just got holes in. So it looks like it has no grip at all. So good luck if you're wearing Vans in the snow or something like that. Even in the rain, this might be a bit of an issue. Because, well, you can't even wear it in the rain because it's suede. But yeah, overall this is a good shoe though. Say you were wearing it with something smart, it'd be very nice. So these are both the shoes together. Let's check if there's anything else in the box. Nothing else in the box. Alright guys, I'm going to bring the camera here. So I'll show you what it looks like. You can imagine what it looks like on foot. Are you ready guys? That's my tripod, 2 legs there. Okay, so these are my size 10 feet. Oh, there's something on the bottom of this one. Just realized. Ultra cush, comfort, lightweight, ultra soft. To be honest, they're not that lightweight. If you want lightweight, go feel the Nike running shoes. They're proper lightweight. Air Max as well. They're proper lightweight, guys. Alright, guys. Let's see. Ready? He actually looks like it would fit me, but I think it's too narrow. It's not wide enough for my feet. This way it'd fit. Lengthwise it'd fit, but the thing it wouldn't fit. So you can imagine my leg being on there. Oh, my camera's lost focus for some reason. There you go. Imagine my leg being on there. I don't even know, guys. Alright guys, overall these shoes are very nice. I like it. I'd recommend it. You can't really wear it with much, but yeah, you can wear it if you're wearing smart all the time, which is alright, or smart casual. That'd go with it. So yeah, I recommend buying it if you're going to buy it for that reason. It is quite cheap as well, 65 quid, and if you got smaller feet it's even cheaper. It's like 50 quid. So yeah, it's good thinking. And this is probably going to be my thumbnail. So I'll catch you guys next time. Check out my other reviews if you haven't. And let me know if you want me to review anything. Goodbye guys.